Alright, now we're going to go through the lower side hill connector. Rough climb uphill, very short. And eventually it's going to become a very long uphill climb. So I'm having the easiest gear right now. Secret is not losing your momentum. Almost always. Just keep going straight. No matter what, you'll climb out of it better. You just can't take a different path. Keep that momentum. So you gotta climb on the path. Your bike takes you. It's gonna balance you out rather than resisting. Trying to control the bike all the time. Because you can't change the path.